I've just opened a pretty big can of worms. A government department asked me if I could make 100 frames with glass and double matting so that they could put certificates in the frames as required. I said, yeah, totally. So I need to cut 100 double mats. That's 200 mat boards, 800 cuts. So if you can't find anything right now to watch on Netflix, just join me. It's going to be really exciting. I wonder if when I die, people will say that I lit up the room. I should check the weather again. Maybe there's a storm coming. Stop, drop, and roll was really such a big deal when we were kids. You'd think we would have lit ourselves on fire several times by now. Do people who can't hear think that when we're yawning, we're actually screaming? I wonder if clouds ever look down on humans and think, wow, that one's shaped like an idiot. The first person that ever heard a parrot talk was probably really not okay for a while after that. Why don't they make entire airplanes out of the same material they make those indestructible little black boxes out of? Last package. That's a wrap.